how are you doing? Welcome and welcome back to Hunter Diary. So guys, I really woke up late. Not late per se, but we intended to wake up late. But we were like 20 minutes before breakfast. So guess who went for breakfast with their night dress? Yeah, I feel so tired. Guys, I feel so tired. I did not know staying up till 2 would make me feel this crazy. I feel so tired. So right now, so 2 people have requested for me to go and get them the sisal bag. So that's what we are gonna do. After breakfast, we go get the sisal bag. We send them to me. After we send them, what is I supposed to do? Because one of them we have to send it to Nairobi to my best friend, and the other one we have to send it to my sis. So we send them. After we send them, we go get some medication for babe, and then we just go to the room and relax and packing, showering, and everything else. And then we leave because our flight is at 2:10. So guys, showered and ready. Man, I would have carried more outfits because I think my overpacking really, I need to go back to overpacking because right now I really have some shorts, like minimal shorts. And I don't know how people are gonna react to them, but anyway, who cares? It's life, you only live once, right? So right now, we are gonna get some medicines for babe, and then we proceed, we get some few sisal bags, and then we get back in the room. Guys, we already purchased the bag. Where is the other bag? The other bag! Yeah, we purchased them, so we have to send them via the bus because I cannot go with this and the flight. So right now we are going to send them, and then there's some things they need. We go pick them and then we go back into our hotel. But I love this bag. Apparently mine is almost in Mombasa. Yes. So let's send this. Hi guys, so we are finally leaving Lamu. If I would have been asked, I would have stayed for more days, but apparently we don't get what we want in life always. So right now it's at almost 1. We're gonna board our boat, and then because we only have like 30 minutes before the gate closes. And I'm actually loving this bag. So yeah, let's go, and then I'll just jump close up when I'm finally at home. Because after here, like when we take our ride home, we have to pass by Tawakal so that I can pick my bag, the one I bought, and I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna do a close up for this video. Maybe put on the lights. The video is really good. Yeah, the lighting is so good. So yeah, let's go. Lamu has been so good to us. We shall safe journeys home. The weather today it's gonna rain. That's our board. You see it? Asante Baba. Yeah, today the weather really looks, I don't know. water is lost. The tides are very high. Like they've even come to this point. These are the mangroves. For those who don't know what are mangroves, in Kiswahili, mikoko. Mikoko. And that's my favorite person in the whole world. My crazy someone. I love this mikoko. These ones, they're called syrups, tagal, the one like with the broad leaves. Yeah. And finally, we are at Manda Airport, Lamu Airport. The last time I was here, it was not this developed. This was in, I think, 21 or 22 or something.
We are here.
We are coming slowly. Na leo kuna kakunyesha. Kunyesha after tumetoka. Karibu tena. Obviously, for me, I'll have to come back to Lamu. Huh? I've had so much fun. At least nikikuja najua niko na Kalamari, niko na Mohamed, niko na Kenya Ore, niko na nani mwingine? Hey, niko na wengi. Ministry of Lamu County, Manda Airport. Sasa kuna watu wanavukanga kila siku na boti wanakuja shule. Wow. Sasa like how much wanalipa pesa ngapi? Hey, sasa kama unakuza kila siku inaka. Hi guys, so right now what is it to do and saying hi to people every single time?
Follow this lady, please.
So right now we are at Manda Airport. Our flight is at 2:10 and we're so tired. Jeez. Fishing expedition from last night. It was crazy. So right now we're just like chilling here, waiting. Yeah, I'll tell you when we're boarding. Hi guys. So right now we are boarding right now, and I'm so tired. Guys, I am so tired. I think for the next 40 minutes I'm gonna sleep. You know, I'm just so tired. Guys, tell me why in Lamu it was so freaking hot, and in Mombasa it's raining, like heavily raining. Like these guys had to give us umbrellas so that we can be able to move from the aeroplane to where? To inside here. I actually had to steal babe's cap because of my hair and everything else, but where the rain, it's heavily raining. And apparently, I had to put my jacket in the suitcase. So guess who got rained on? Hey! Reality hits you. Vacation is over. And you have to do shopping. Because now it's back to factory setting at Carrefour. What are you looking for?
I look for conflict.
Oh god, guys, look at her. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Look at her, he's so excited. Oh.
You miss Baba. You miss Baba. You miss Baba. Yeah, funny.
Come to oh my baby. Hi baby boy. Oh, it's okay. Sorry. okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. He's so excited, guys. I'm waiting for him to calm down. Yeah, he's coming again. Hi. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Sorry. You're not biting me. Ow, 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 stop it. Ow, 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 ow. It's okay. Guys, look at him. Uh-oh. It's okay. Calm down. Calm down. He really missed us. Coming to mama again. Hi, how was your alone time? Hi my love. So right now we are at home, and guess who has more energy to cook? Me. I'm so tired. So we actually decided to order some pizza. Baby's having beef barbecue. I'm having this, and I'm warming. I'm cooking for this boy here. So guys, you know the drill. Make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, and turn on your notification bell in case I post a new video. You'll be the first person to know. Bye guys. Say bye, Stormy.